Anonysis AI has just dropped, and if you're looking to get ahead with cutting-edge AI tools, you're in the right place. In this Anonysis AI review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new software. Whether you're into digital marketing, content creation, or automation, Anonysis AI has some exciting features, and I'll be breaking them down for you so you can make an informed decision. And by the way, you can try Anonysis AI completely free through the first link in the description below. Right off the bat, one of the most exciting things about Anonysis AI is its ability to streamline and enhance your workflow. If you've ever been frustrated with juggling multiple tools to manage tasks, Anonysis AI aims to consolidate everything into a seamless experience. From content generation to data analysis, this software does it all. It allows you to easily create high-quality content, track performance, and even suggest improvements, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Another standout feature is Anonysis AI's deep learning capabilities. It leverages machine learning algorithms that get smarter the more you use it. This means the more you engage with the software, the more tailored and optimized your results will become. For marketers and business owners, this could be a game changer, as it helps you predict trends, refine strategies, and make data-backed decisions. On top of that, Anonysis AI's intuitive interface is designed to make even complex tasks feel simple. No need to be a tech expert to navigate it. The learning curve is minimal, and you can hit the ground running right out of the gate. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the user-friendly layout will allow you to get the most out of the software without wasting time trying to figure out how it works. But let's talk about its performance. Anonysis AI is built for speed. If you're working with large sets of data, you'll notice that it processes things quickly and accurately, which is especially important when you're working with tight deadlines. Its powerful algorithms are designed to handle a large volume of data in real time, ensuring that you can get insights quickly and apply them to your strategy. Another feature that sets Anonysis AI apart is its versatility. Whether you're in content marketing, SEO, or paid ads, Anonysis AI can assist with every part of your marketing campaign. For example, if you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, Anonysis can help you optimize your ad copy, suggest better targeting options, and even track your ROI. This all-in-one approach ensures that no matter your niche, you're using a tool that can support your specific goals. One thing to note is Anonysis AI's integration capabilities. It can easily connect with popular platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and more, which means you don't have to manually transfer data between platforms. This integration streamlines the entire process, saving you hours of work each week. It's perfect for businesses that want a smooth workflow without having to deal with complicated integrations. Finally, I can't overlook Anonysis AI's data-driven insights. Not only does it provide detailed reports, but it also suggests actionable improvements based on those reports. It doesn't just show you the numbers, it helps you understand them and gives you a roadmap for success. This level of automation means less guesswork and more time to focus on what really matters. So if you're looking for a robust AI tool that combines ease of use, speed, versatility, and powerful insights, Anonysis AI is definitely worth considering. I recommend you check it out by clicking the link in the description to start your free trial. And before you go, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and in the description below, you'll find my list of the best AI software for various needs, all available for free trials. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, I've got you covered. Don't forget to check them out.